Hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing the A&W Chicken Strips with some barbecue sauce. So, I've never had chicken strips from A&W before, and I was looking at the menu there, decided to try these out. They don't look fantastic, but we'll see how they are. They kind of look like just your regular old chicken fingers, but let's get right into it. Okay, seasoned pretty well. They got a unique taste to them. They're kind of, I don't know, peppery, spicy. Not bad though. And we're gonna throw some barbecue sauce in here. They had a jalapeno ranch, and I got excited because I love jalapeno, but I don't love ranch. So, a little disappointed that they just didn't have a jalapeno style sauce, but let's try it out here with some barbecue. Pretty good. They're not like amazing, but I mean, chicken strips are never really like amazing. They're good for what they are. Try some fries and dark barbecue sauce here. Good barbecue sauce. Let's give me some ketchup too, so I'll try the strips with some ketchup as well, see if it's any different. And I'll give my review. Just tell you guys how it is. All right, let's get some ketchup. Oh, dripping everywhere. The ketchup pretty good on them. Let's heard some scream. Yeah, it's pretty good with ketchup too. I'll have another half of one, and then I'll give my review. I liked it with the barbecue sauce, honestly. Like, the barbecue sauce is pretty good. I'm not really a chicken fingers kind of guy, but there's gonna be a shortage of these apparently. I've seen on Instagram. It's gonna be a world shortage, so this might be the last time I have chicken fingers, or chicken strips, or chicken fries, chicken whatever these are. Kind of felt doughy, a little weird. I don't know how I feel about these. Started strong, but guess going to the home of the burger family, getting chicken is kind of a weird thing to do. Oh. So I guess it's review time now. I would only get those if you're like hardcore against beef or anything like that. The burgers at A&W are amazing. Best quality burgers, I think, in a fast food restaurant in Canada. Chicken strips, not hidden like I want them to, but I mean, they're still good. Like, not the worst thing I've ever had in my life. Not the best chicken strips. Again, I don't really get chicken strips often, but these are decent for what they were. I give them that. So, I'm gonna give these 7 out of 10. They're not terrible, but every other thing on the menu I think is a little bit better. I really like the burgers. Burgers are amazing. So if you like burgers, get a burger from there. Chicken strips are just fair. I mean, they're not just fair, they're good, but everything else on the menu is much better. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.